It's the In Wheel Time Car Talk Show. Just ahead, Brandon Emmons with the C10 Truck Club. Conrad is out. Jeff's going to have This Week in Auto History. We'll get you updated on my favorite ongoing story, and that is the story of Carvana.
Oh, boy, can't wait.
You seem to make the news every week. It's
Gather
something
around,
and it ain't
children.
good.
Gather around.
Howdy, along with Mike out of this world, Mars. We need more Jeff Zekin. I'm Don Armstrong. Glad you could join us today. Conrad's out. Hopefully he'll be back next week. I talked to him this week, and I'll be back. Okay. Very good. We'll take you for your word there. Joining us now from the Show and Shine and Toy Drive over in Port Neches Riverfront Park in Port Neches, Texas. Ladies and gentlemen, here he is, Brandon Emmons, the man, the myth, the legend. Howdy, sir.
What's up, fellas? How y'all doing today?
Well, we're doing fine. How's it going over there?
Man, weather's not too bad, not too great, but they're rolling in.
Are they?
Flip it around. Show y'all some nice vehicles if y'all ready.
Yeah, we're always ready.
I know it's better than looking at me.
Well, yes, it is.
You're not getting any arguments over here.
Yeah, just keep going.
Hey, y'all make me feel good and say no.
Push the button.
Yeah,
There you go.
There you go.
All right, here we go.
So
Square body.
where exactly is Port Neches Riverfront Park? I know it's in Port Neches, but where?
We are in Port Neches, pretty much. We're probably about an hour and a half south of Houston, and probably 15 minutes southeast of Beaumont. So when I say we're on the water,
It's on the river.
the water.
Gotcha.
So the park is basically sitting on the water. We got a restaurant and a bar and all kinds of cool stuff next to it with a pavilion and stuff. So it's a cool place to hang out.
C10 Soul. Is that the name of your club?
That is me. C10 Soul Texas on Instagram. And we're also part of C10 Club Texas, which is C10 Club Texas is pretty much all over the state of Texas. So we venture pretty far.
And they're all C10s.
No, I kind of parked some in the front. My guys usually get here earlier, but we got some. This Mach 1 right here is probably one of the nicest you ever see. Check this car out.
Oh, my.
This is Mr. Perwin's car. It's beautiful.
Yeah, I'll say. I actually kind of like the green.
Yeah. It's kind of unusual.
Mm-hmm.
Automatic. Nice.
So this event goes on till 2 o'clock this afternoon?
Yes, sir.
So give me just enough time to drive over there and for you to close the door and I say goodbye and drive back.
There's a good mix of everything out here. A little lowrider S10, El Camino.
I love those El Caminos.
There's a
Little 55 right here is pretty nice.
It is nice.
the cab over there on the far side.
Get there.
Yeah.
Almost
There he
green
is.
because
I've seen him around town a couple of times.
this is actually the first time I've seen this thing right here. He ain't ever came to one of my events, but
That's
things are pretty cool.
Yeah, that is a very nice truck. What is that, about a 54?
What year is that cab over? 48.
Oh, 48.
Wow.
My. Yep. Very nice.
And I got some of my guys over here with. That's pretty much.
There's somebody sitting in a lawn chair. That's me.
What year is that lawn chair?
What year's that lawn chair? Yeah. Oh, there's a nice black C10.
Yeah, that's a GMC. Now, this little C10 right here is kind of juiced up. It's got a supercharger.
Very nice.
Nice. Yes.
I got better for y'all. Y'all want to see some juice? This little step side over here has got some serious power under the hood.
The one with the hood closed?
As y'all can see, that's the water.
Yeah.
That's the water. Yes, it is.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. Am I a good photographer or no?
You're an excellent
Hey, you're
photographer.
awesome.
Doing great.
You're awesome.
Yeah. Probably be better if you turn the phone
Little
sideways.
step right here, but this little thing right here, it's got twins on it.
Twin turbos. Very nice.
Twin turbos.
Very nice. Could you turn that phone sideways?
There you go.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Hey, see, y'all know more about it than I do.
Well, we try to be up to the very latest and greatest style and technique here.
Yeah. You got quite
So
a few different cars there.
right here.
Yeah, nice stereo too.
So, what in the world?
That's a 56 Chevy?
That's an interesting paint scheme on
Yeah, I
that
like
Well,
car.
it's an interesting engine, too.
Oh, it's not a Chevy.
Yeah,
it's
it's
not
a-
a
No,
Chevy.
not a
That's
Chevy.
not a Chevy.
Is that a Ford?
It's got
I
to be
think
a
it's a Buick. I'm going with
Buick. I'm
Buick.
thinking
No, it
It's a,
can't
fif-
be-
it's
that
a
can't be
54
no-
Olds.
Buick with a
Oldsmobile.
with a wing.
Oldsmobile.
Oh,
Oldsmobile.
Come on, guys. Y'all
That's-
should know better than
that's
that.
right up. Well, Conrad would have known that just by
Yeah,
first
he
glance.
would have.
Yeah, I
And the
didn't
wing.
Look at
That's
this little Chevy T right here is really pretty.
Well, this is quite a little cruise-in thing you got
Soiree.
going on here. I had no clue.
Man, I'm like big time. Y'all didn't know that?
No, we didn't know that, but now we do. Now that you've told us.
that's
so,
pretty. I
so
like
all
that.
these. So,
I'm a legend in my own mind.
Yes, you are.
Look at this Camaro right here. It's a buddy of mine's Camaro. It's pretty cool.
So, have you been planning this event for a while?
Man, this is our 5th annual. So we have it every year, and basically we get all the toys out within 2 weeks, which is difficult. But we get with all the local schools and churches, and we really got a list of people that they're in need. So we put them all up in my buddy's shop, and we start giving out wish lists. And the money we collect, we usually go to like Walmart, give them $500, and let them buy, whatever they want for their kids or whatever.
That's nice. That's very nice.
So it's all local. We tried doing some of those places that do it, but they tend to just stick everything in a shop and don't give it out. We like to give it all out.
Look at that truck. Oh, that is beautiful.
Yeah, and of course it's swapped. So
Nice.
Man, you got some
He's
really
he's on
nice
air,
vehicles
too.
that showed up
Good
there.
quality stuff.
Yeah.
this one right here is really pretty.
Now, did anybody have any of these cars over at Autorama this year?
Man, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Can I say this live or no?
Well, I don't know. It depends on what you're going to say.
I was supposed to go, and I was gonna put my truck with MTI, and I just wasn't real impressed this year. It's I don't know if it's because of the weather or what, but man, they're just it compared to last year, it was about half.
Well, no, the car count was up. Maybe they just didn't let you into the part of the car show that you needed to go see.
Yeah.
Well,
weather
it
did
was
play
the-
into it. Weather did play
it
a
was
big
the-
factor.
It was the quality stuff that kind of disappointed me.
I got you. Well,
Check this thing out right here. This guy's got a wild little setup.
oh, wow.
What?
That's not the little 4-cylinder anymore, is it?
No, he had this thing at SEMA.
Oh, my gosh.
yeah, no.
Yeah, he has got some serious money tied up.
What
in
is that?
phone.
A sling or what?
Something like
What is
that.
that?
Slingshot. They call it a
Slingshot.
slingshot.
Not a
Yeah.
fan.
And I had two of my buddies that just got back from SEMA were supposed to show up, but the weather's bad. He texted me this morning. I said, man, I didn't even take my truck out here. I just brought my little square body because I didn't want to. The roads are kind of nasty.
It was
That's
pretty
nice
foggy early this morning.
That's
Yeah, it's trying to burn off, but the roads are still just.
that's a very nice 56 there, I think. Very nice. Well, that's quite a little
nice and clean it
yeah,
is.
it's quite a little gathering that you've got there. Hopefully, maybe next year you'll invite us and we can come over there.
Hey, you know what? I'm gonna start sending y'all invites to everything. Then you're trying to make me feel bad.
Well, we have a way of doing that.
Yeah, we do.
We make people feel bad all the time.
I'm working on trying to get y'all here at Riverfest. I talked with Mike, so hopefully we can work something out on that. Get y'all live here for Riverfest. I usually have about 300 vehicles at Riverfest, and we do it on the other end of the park.
Now, from
Under the
Houston,
under the trees.
from Houston, Texas, how would I get there?
Take you about an hour and a half.
Is
It
it
depends on what
Oldsmobile?
part of Houston, but about an hour and a half.
No, but I know. But I mean, what am I off of I-10?
I-10.
I-10 to what?
Yeah, I-10 to Beaumont, and you would just cut over, and we're probably 15 minutes outside of Beaumont.
Yeah, when you come into Beaumont, you would take the 6996 287 south down towards Port Arthur, Then there's a split off there
Yeah.
that takes 347 to splits off to Nederland. It's actually the other side of Nederland, but then there's another road that comes off of that to get into Port Neches. It'll take you right down by the park.
It's over there.
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 And but it is a nice park in the area where they're at right now for the Riverfest. That'll all be rides and concessions and all kinds of stuff. It's a big.
You've gone before.
Yes, I actually have.
You
Yeah, it's
take
actually
one?
a big deal. They usually have about, I don't know, I think between 30 and 50,000 people each year that come by because they have the boat races with it.
Yep, the boat races
And then,
is the big draw.
And I do the car show part of it, which is, it's probably the biggest car show in the area, honestly, because everybody comes from all over because they want to come to, see the races and all.
What kind of boat races are they?
Man, they got everything from them little Thunder Bomber boats to them ones that fly around at 100-something miles an hour. They have every class.
Yeah, it's some drag racing, and then they've also got some of them that make the loop out there in the river.
So with 50,000 people, that's probably like quadruples the population.
Oh,
Yeah, our
not a very big
population
area,
is probably
at least.
13,000.
Well, there you go.
Very nice. Well, listen, we love it. Thank you very much for giving us the tour down there, Brandon. We appreciate it.
Hey, thank you guys for having me. Like I said, hopefully we can do it again.
And,
bet.
And you guys are going to be down there at 2 o'clock. So for our viewers and listeners or followers that are over there in the Beaumont area, head on down there. It's at the Port Neches Riverfront Park in Port Neches, Texas.
There
All
you
right,
go.
man. Well, thanks again, and best of luck to you today.
All right, guys, you have a good one.
You
You
do
too.
the
See
See
same.
you later.
Brandon Emmons, the C10 Truck Club,
Yep.
C10 Soul. You like the soul.